Right, so this is the cheapest Fortnite cake to make. I use this cake. It is a cake from Iceland. It's chocolate gâteau cake and it's only £2. I didn't want to make such a big birthday cake and spend 30, 40 or 50 pounds on a birthday cake because it was just me and my family. And when I say family, I just literally mean me, my kids and my husband. We just wanted to do a small party, so that's what we used. Here's the cake, very yummy, delicious. And I'm gonna open it up. I printed out some Fortnite characters just using my regular printer, using normal paper. And I know loads of people make these edible versions of these, but again, it's a quick party and a quick cake, so I just did that. I got a number 7 candle and I'm just using some sprinkles. I'm going to use the Fortnite colours, the themed Fortnite colours that I've been using. Throw them on.